Hello everyone, it's Link here, and welcome back to another video inside of Stampy's lovely world. But in this video we're going to be doing a tutorial on Raindrops. It's going to be part 1, and we're going to be starting it off with the elevator. And yeah, we got Peyton helping, so let's get into this game. Got some chests to start us off. So let me just, this is gonna be at this wall, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 from the end, and then we're gonna have a glitch chest like that, and then I'll fill up the chest real quick. So most of it's gonna be just full of boats. So yeah, the first row is just all boats. And then we can do another row of boats. So yeah, another full row of boats. And then finally we can do a third row, but we'll have to take some out. We'll just do 8 for now. So then we're gonna have 3, leave 1, 1. And this one we can take out. Put this one in here, leave 3, and we need 1 more for this chest. Leave block 1 right here. Then we're gonna need a rainbow color sort of thing. So we need magenta, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So we're gonna have magenta here, leave 4. We're gonna have 1 right here. Just connect them up with that color. Got a sign that says Raindrops on the top row. And then there's a space between rain and drops, with a period at the end. So then we're gonna have this color pattern. So we're gonna have purple, magenta, but the other side is gonna be purple, blue, like that. It is a bit weird. And then we're gonna have purple, blue, or green, yellow, orange, red. And then this side goes green, yellow, orange, red, blue in the corner, and then green, yellow, orange, red, magenta, purple, blue, and that pattern continues to right here. So yeah, these will go across, connect up, and then when you get to this magenta right here, they go across this way. And we're gonna have magenta up like this. Grab out some torches. All of these blocks are gonna have torches. This corner is actually gonna be the red one. And the other side will have all torches as well. And yeah, it's just the inside has all torches. Then we're gonna go up 3 either side, and diagonally 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna do the same color pattern, but not with the block up. So we're gonna have 4 purple, 4 blue, and it's the same on the other side. 4 green, yellow, orange, red, magenta, purple, right here, and then we're gonna have a back wall green. So then we break out the last 2 rows right here. So break out the ground here, and then we're gonna fill across again with the specific colors that we had. And we'll do this roof part, so it's gonna be the same type height as the magenta one we did. It's just gotta bring them across, connect up the colors. And right here, we'll just bring them to there for now. And this goes right here at the end. And then what we can do is have torches all around on these sides. Plus in the middle, or not the front. And then right here, it will only go up to the magenta part. And we have the green. Actually, it's not there. So then, in here, we need to do something. So, blue wool is going to go right here. Purple right there. And then on this side, that's going to be broken out. And then this colored wool is going to come 2, 3 out. Like that. And then the torches, we're going to have 2 here in the back. And then the rest are going to be going all the way on either side. And then we can fill all of it with water. But first, let me just add the glass around. Hold up. Wait, this might go out. I might have put this too far. So then we also have a magenta right there. And a green right here. So you can just surround that with glass. Also this row is not here. And then that needs to be green. So then we started our glass structure. So this is going to be 142 blocks in total. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, and then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So I gotta go all the way up there just to check. See if we're at the right point. And then if I place a block, let me just try it out. If I place a block right here, I want to see if we're at the right spot. Yeah. No? What? Why do we need to be 2 blocks over? It's supposed to be what? This is, wait, no. We're not looking properly. Yeah, we're supposed to be 1 block back. What? What's going on? We're actually gotta move this back 1. It is still at the same height as it was, but I was just putting it in the wrong spot. And then, so yeah, this is like where it should be at. That was like coordinate check. So we just break that out and now fill this up. To the top. So yeah, it is still 142. I don't know why I didn't break some of those blocks. It's so weird with the breaking in the blocks. Why didn't it break all those blocks? I don't understand. I was like holding the entire time while breaking. This is so weird. I don't understand Minecraft sometimes with the controls. And then right here, that one. Actually, no. This is gonna be right here. They're not filled in. Wait. So then, this corner needs to be broken out. Right here. This comes over here. And that will be right there. Above that, and then these just go up. Alright, so yeah, this is the tallest thing in his world. The part we're gonna make today will be the tallest structure. It's gonna be 1 cloud. Alright, so Peyton will finish the last one off. And we'll start off these signs. It starts a bit weird here, so it's gonna be sign, and 2 here, and there's gonna be 1 right there. So then they're gonna alternate diagonally up a block, so like this, and now we got to do that all the way up. It's gonna take a bit to do. Shouldn't be that bad. Unfortunately, this water elevator does not work anymore. So, yeah, I don't think he's gonna change it, so it'll just stay like this for now. Again, I don't know if I talked about it, but Stampy did say he might change some things on the download and fixing broken games. So this could be one of them, because you can do water elevators with bubbles now. But I really don't know if we're gonna do the stuff he does on that fixed download, or if he's gonna do that. we don't really know much about that, or if he's gonna do an accurate version as well. I hope he does, because if he does the accurate version, that's the one we're gonna be going off of, and not really the one specifically made for download. It's gonna be even more tedious after this when we start doing the water. Alright, I think we're about halfway there or something. Woo, fast. This is definitely the most tedious part of this build, but after that, all the rest of this is pretty easy. There is not much difficulty in the clouds or whatever. The shaping is a bit odd, but it won't take too long to do. We're almost at the level of the clouds in Minecraft. So yeah, it's cool to get the tallest thing in the world complete. I know this is one of the most popular games, so should be a nice tutorial for you who want an updated one. Almost there, I think. Yeah, just a few more. And one right here. And now what we gotta do. Hold up. No, it's gonna make me have to redo the entire thing. If it does, I swear. It might have to make me do this again. It's gonna be annoying because I might have to redo it. Because I forgot. There is an extra sign. Okay, good. Do not have to redo it. So basically, we got the water filled up to there. Now, we're gonna place it every spot where there's not a sign. And it will be flowing. I think that's how it is. So there's like a couple of spots either side. So I'll do this back side. Peyton can do the other side of the water. It will sit right. Oh no! Please stop with the. I don't like how they make signs waterlogged now. That's pretty annoying. But you can kind of get a nice pattern. So I'm gonna go to the top on the realm and see if the signs are good. But yeah, after this we'll be done with the water elevator. This is definitely the most annoying part of the build. And then we'll start with the thing. Stop. Oh my god, it's starting to get so annoying with these waterlog signs. I want to go fast, but I can't because I'll just waterlog the signs. It's gonna be annoying. I guess I did most of it. The thing is, this sign is not in the right place. It should be the opposite way. Uh-oh. I know why. Because this is going to be replaced with white wool. So yeah, we're going to have 2 white wool here. No. Now we got... Oh my god. Now I gotta replace both of these waters because now the sign is gonna get waterlogged. Oh my god, it's so annoying. So yeah, that's the only replaced part. Then off of that, we're gonna have a 2x4 or 4x3 and 2 right there. And then we're gonna come out 2 on either side. Like that. And then we're gonna come this way, come back 1, and go back 1, back 1, and then back 1 again. So it should be 3 out from this. Kind of something like this. So then we just bring it connected up to that side. Make sure this comes out. Then we do that again. So we come out. Feel like this is a bit smaller than it should be. We're gonna go diagonally this way. Another dag on this side. This one has to go there. Like that. Should be like that, and I could put those 2 there. Gonna have another sign. We'll worry about that part later. Then what we can do, this is a bit uneven, so come out 3 this side, come out 4. Pretty sure the other side is the same though, like the left and right. And then come out 1 again. We got 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just need to check and see if we're at the right coordinate. Yeah. Then make sure just fill in those corners so they aren't showing underneath. And then what we do after that is come out 3. And we're gonna go diagonally 2, 2, 3. And this is gonna be 2. And just go 3 again. So I'm pretty sure I can just leave it open for now, those sides. And yeah, I should connect up like that. So let's do these things first. So we're gonna have 5, and then it's gonna come out again, so it should be 7. And then we're gonna have 2 rows of that. Then we're gonna have 5 and 3. Torch in the middle. So then either side of that, we're gonna fill it in. We're actually gonna come out 1, and then it's gonna have 3, and then 2 like that. So yeah, then connect that up here. And then we're gonna have again, so we're gonna have 3, actually 4, and we're gonna have 3 and 1. So that's filled in here, and then we're gonna have 2 or 1 diagonal and 2, 3, 4. Something's off about yours, Peyton. I think yours might be a bit shorter or something. It's just not looking the same. Oh, you fixed it. Anyways, fill it up. 2 blocks. And then on this row, we're gonna have 4 diagonals and then 2 in the middle. Make sure to fill in these corners right here. And this is going to be a 2x2 right there. I already have the corners filled in, so they just got them right there. Then what we can do is come behind this, like that, and then leave block, go to the one block, or right there. Oh yeah, just fill them in with blocks. Then what we can do is come out 2, 3, and 2 diagonal. So then this is gonna be 3 blocks deep right here. So, and then this is where we can fill it in across. Okay. So then that side will be brought down as well. And then these 2 corners can be brought down. And we got 2 right here. And then all of these can just go up. These sides just go up. So let's figure out the sign. So yeah, they continue alternating up to there, and then the back side stops 2 blocks from the top, so like right there. And then same thing with the water. But here, we're gonna have 2 right there like that. And let's just wait for now. So yeah, then we're gonna have another row of white wool. We're gonna have 4 signs. Doesn't really matter which way they're facing. So we just have 4 signs there. And we're gonna have 2, 3. What? Now let's do this. So this comes to here. So we have 5 like that. And then this is gonna be 2 blocks. And these 2 come out right here. So then we're gonna have signs on these sides. We're gonna need pressure plates right here. Also, we're gonna need to put signs, place signs like this. One more, I forgot. Can I place another one? Oh wait, it's not. So yeah, we just place one like that. So we have one in the middle open. And then we just have, shoot, did not mean to do that. These are 3 filled in. So then 1, 2, 3, 4 filled like that. And then can get rid of this. This is all just solid water like that. So I'm pretty sure that's flowing correctly. Yeah. And randomly we have an ice block up here. I'm not sure if this is intentional or not, but there should be, that's an ice block. Just have 1 torch right there on both sides. Is it intentional? So for now, we'll just not have that. So we got another cloud to do, which these clouds are kind of annoying. But what we can do is just use glass temporarily. Go to this block right here. I'm going to count up 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then go over 21. 1, 2, or here we go. don't count this one. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. And then we should have a block right here. Yeah, did Stampy, or is that supposed to be there? So we should have 4 like that. Okay, so I'll replace that in a second. Alright. Okay, and I'll just put that back right here. So this cloud, so then we got that floating, and it should be 5, I think. So then it's gonna come up 3, or on a row on both sides, and 3 like that. Then we're gonna have a 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and then come out again. Gonna have 3, and then we're gonna have a 3 by 5. Oops. Then we're gonna have 3 by 3, and then a 2 by 5. And then 3 here, 2 out right there, and then we're gonna have a 3, and then a 2 or 3 by 5. I think you did something wrong on yours, because it should be, or, yeah, you forgot to add a row on this side, right here. So yeah, there should be rows both sides. And then right here, we're gonna have 3 and 2 across either side, 1 in the middle. What we can do is just connect these on the bottom diagonally across. And then right here, come out diagonally 1 again, and then fill that in. Oh, come on. What? Oh, so then like that. And you gotta fill all that in. Just up, because that's the bottom layer of that part. On either side here, come back. So you got 1, and that connects up. And then we're gonna have 5, and 2 there, and 3. So then we're gonna have diagonal 1, 2, 3, and then up 1 here. And we got 2 on this side. And then 1 back there. 1 right there. And fill in this corner. So you got 2, 2, I think. Fill in that. We got the 2, 3, 2, 3, and 5, either side, connect that up, and then bring this up, connect that to there. And then over on this side, diagonal 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Connect those bottom sides diagonally, and then fill it in. So that's kind of like the bottom section of that cloud. The top is kind of like mirroring that. So I'm gonna go back to if there's holes, it probably filled in. So yeah, I think let me just check. That part just might come out. Yeah, they're filled in right here. So then these two sides filled in. Alright, now, so yeah, we got that 2 by 2, and then we come this way, or we got 1, 2 like that. Then we go this way and up 1, and we got 5 and 3, down 1 there. Fill in this corner. The other side is the same too. So then we got 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 2. And this comes over 1. You can just bring it across, make it easier. 5, and 3 right here. Worry about that side later. Then on the front, pretty sure it's a similar thing. We got our 5, and then there's 7 here. Fill in that hole and that corner. And I got those 3. So we got a torch here. And on the other side. And then on top, these 2 sides are filled in. And then we're going to have a 3 by 3 of white. And then fill it in. What? So yeah, those 2 have to. One, and we're gonna have these 2 filled in. Torches. 5, like that. And then diagonally connect up. Or you can just have a row 5. 2 by 3 up, and those 2 filled in. That should be the cloud done. And there is a sign here. I'm not sure it's supposed to be here. Second row, or top row 9. No idea why that's there. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully it helped you out, and we'll see you at part 2, which will be finishing this off. Thanks for playing and helping. We'll see you next time. Bye!